Hi everyone! Today we read talking about a fascinating material, self-healing superhydrophobic coatings. Can you imagine a coating that not only repels water but also heals itself after being damaged? You've probably heard of the lotus effect, right? When water lands on a lotus leaf, it forms tiny beads that roll off effortlessly. That's the magic of superhydrophobicity. Scientifically, when a surface has a contact angle over 150 degrees and a sliding angle under 10 degrees, we call it a superhydrophobic surface. So here's the question. How do we actually create such a magical coating? The principle is simple, with two key steps. Step 1. Create microscopic rough structures on the material's surface. Step 2. Modify the surface with low surface energy materials. If we only use low-energy materials, the contact angle is about 120 degrees. It takes the combination with surface roughness to achieve true superhydrophobicity. For preparation, scientists have explored multiple methods, including the template method, etching, spraying, electrospinning, and sol-gel techniques. Each method has its own pros and cons in terms of surface roughness, durability, and scalability. Conventional superhydrophobic coatings have one big weakness: they fail easily under physical wear or chemical attack. This is where self-healing technology really shines. There are two main types of self-healing mechanisms: extrinsic and intrinsic. Extrinsic self-healing works by releasing healing agents, or microcapsules, within the coating to restore hydrophobicity. Intrinsic self-healing relies on the migration or rearrangement of molecular chains to recover automatically. Imagine this as a breathing shield for your car or building surfaces. From a market perspective, these coatings are especially valuable in countries with high humidity, heavy rain, or coastal environments, such as Southeast Asia, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Japan, the UK, and coastal regions of the United States. They help prevent long-term surface contamination and reduce maintenance costs, making them ideal for automotive, construction, and marine industries. In the future, self-healing superhydrophobic coatings will have tremendous potential in anti-fouling, self-cleaning, and long-term protection, and are expected to become a key part of next-generation functional surface materials. If you want to learn more about functional coatings, material innovations, and global market applications, follow us for more professional insights and industry trends.